I feel like the main choice, they have the smells on point. I just wanted to be thicker, but girl, if these are $14 and the consistency is like this, we don't want you to make it thicker because it might be turning to $20. Hey y'all, it's me Prettywitty77 and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the main choice hair conditioners. If you know me, and if you don't know me, I'm a hair conditioner junkie. Like, man, I think mainly it's because of my deep condition series that I do every Sunday. I just like hair conditioners. If somebody put out a line of products, I'm gonna go to the conditioner first, because like what that conditioner do, like I always want to know. So if you follow me on my social media, which is Instagram or Snapchat at Prettywitty77, you probably see where I purchased some of the main choices products, and a lot of y'all hit me up like, sis, let me know how it works because I need to know before I spend my coins. Chill, I got you. If you're interested in this review, then definitely keep watching. So the first conditioner that I tried was the Heavenly Halo. This one was a little bit kind of difficult to get my hands on until somebody told me it's only sold at Target, girl. Like, so I literally had to go to Target to pick up this conditioner. All of these conditioners are priced between $14.99 and $16.99, somewhere between there, you know, and they are size the 8 fluid ounce bottles. The Heavenly Halo one, it says herbal hair tonic and soy milk deep hydration conditioner, and I don't know how to pronounce these oils. I'm not gonna even try. I'm gonna put them on screen, like the oils that, you know, is said to be in this product, because I don't know, sis. Now, I've really been trying to see what this product smells like, and I feel like I need to smell it on camera just so, you know, to refresh my senses. Because it's like a milky, slight, calm down, fruity scent. Like, it's really chill. It's a really chill scent. Like, it's not fruity to the point where it's going to make your head hurt. But I can see where, you know, it says soy milk. I can see where it's like kind of like a milky scent, but kind of fruity at the same time. It doesn't smell bad. It's probably one of my favorite scents out of the 4 that I tried. The consistency was okay, really not thick but not too thin, so that was a plus. With this product, I broke all of the rules. It says on the bottle to massage it to wet hair, leave in for 3 to 5 minutes, and rinse. No, sis, I use these as a deep conditioner. I mean, hair rules are meant to be broken. Like, let me make my own rules. Let me write my own story. I still let this hair on my head and fell out. Okay. So I use it as a deep conditioner. I didn't add any oils to any of these conditioners because I really wanted to get the feel of the product the first time to see if a product can stand on its own, then it's good with me. Like, with oils, it's just like, what? It's just like an A++++++. So I definitely use it on its own. I deep condition. I put a plastic bag over my head, sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes with each of these products. And the slip. This is the main, like, focal point of when I try conditioners. Like, what that slip like though? So I can say that the slip was amazing, considering I used it different from what the bottle told me to. It smelled good. My hair was like left really, really soft. I was like, Heavenly Halo, like, okay. So the next conditioner that I tried was from the Pink Lemonade and Coconut line. It says it's super antioxidant and texture beautifier conditioner. I didn't even know there was a word, beautifier. Like, just say beauty, sis. Anyways, it didn't have anything on the bottle like of the oils that, you know, it contained like the rest of them, so I was a little like thrown off by that. It smells just like Pink Lemonade, so it really smells really good when you smell it out of the bottle. But I noticed when I put it in my hair, the scent wasn't as popping as I thought it would, because it does smell good. It really smells good. It's probably it probably comes in like 3rd place of the 4 of what I like to smell. All of them smell good, yeah, but it was a little watery scent, y'all. I mean, I really expected it to be like, although the consistency in the bottle is like, you know, all the rest of them not really thin, but not really thick. I found that this conditioner was, when I put it on my hair, it just felt the thinnest. Like it felt the most less rich. Why did I use most and less in the same sentence? I don't know, but it just felt the less richest out of all the conditioners. Now on a scale from 1 to 5, what that slip doodle, like, it probably was a 1. And since I'm going to put it on a scale from 1 to 5, I feel like I need to kind of tell you what the Heavenly Halo slip was. It probably was a 4.5. The slip was kind of good with the Heavenly Halo, but I was really disappointed in the pink lemonade and coconut one. I was just like, what is this, sis? I know I was using it like not what the bottle told me, but I kind of expected more. I didn't get it. So the third conditioner that I tried was from the Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover line, and it's supposed to be for like promoting and to help girls who have type 4 hair. I feel like I do have 4 hair texture in some parts of my hair, so you know I still got this, you know, Tex-Lex hair that's attached to the end, but you know it's just a little dab. The oils that is said to be in this conditioner is clove oil, flaxseed oil, and aloe vera. So yeah, it smells really good too. It's kind of I feel like all of these scents are similar, just not, it's like smell a little bit different, but it's an okay smell. It didn't really pop that hard as when I put it on my hair, but it popped harder than the pink lemonade and coconut one. The consistency was basically the same, not too thin, but not thick at all. And the slip. With that slip doodle, it maybe was a 2 out of 5. Almost decent, but just not like And the fourth and final conditioner that I tried from the Main Choice from the Main Choice conditioner line was the Ancient Egyptian one. And the oils that is in here, girl, I can't pronounce. I just cannot. So I'm gonna put them on screen. And this is the anti-breakage and repair antidote conditioner. Yeah. The smell is probably my second favorite one of the 3. I think Heavenly Halo first, then this one, then the Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover, then the pink lemonade. I don't know, I just feel like the slip made me really not like the pink lemonade. So pink lemonade smell good. All of them smell good, girl, okay? So basically I use it the same way. The consistency is the same thing. I feel like they just put like a slight different scent on these conditioners and a couple more oils and like push it out, push it out. The slip with the Ancient Egyptian was better than expected. I would probably rate it a 3 out of 5. So I was definitely kind of feeling this one more than I felt like the rest of them. So all in all, these conditioners are quite on the expensive side. $14 for an 8-ounce bottle. And I use these conditioners one time. This conditioner is here. This conditioner is here. This one's a little more. This conditioner is about here. And the Ancient Egyptian is probably about here. So I probably use 7 ounces of the 8. Trying to deep condition my hair with a rinse out conditioner. I don't care though. I feel like these aren't horrible products. They smell really good. I just wish they'd come in like 12-ounce bottles. Like we got hair over here, sis. Shout out to you. I really like them. I did really like the price. I really like the smells, the consistency. I really like deep conditioners that kind of have a thick consistency, but they glide on like butter. These are a little bit on the looser side of the conditioners. So if you guys can do the math, you probably see that my favorite one slip wise, because that's basically really all I really want to just break it down to y'all and let y'all know what this slip do. I want to say 5 for this one, the Heavenly Halo, but I feel like it didn't give me enough slip like my Hello Hydration Conditioner. So I feel like I couldn't put it at a 5. But this one was far most definitely, is that a word? most definitely farthest one of, yeah, my favorite. This one was like my favorite out of the bunch. So 4 out of 5 on the slip. This, I think I put this at a 3 out of 5. Don't quote me. Watch the video back. But this would probably be a 3 out of 5 for the slip, which is the ancient Egyptian one. My third most favorite for the slip, I think I put this at a 2, if I'm not mistaken. Let me rewrite it too if I didn't already. But this is the Hair Type 4-Leaf Clothing Conditioner. And I think I know I put the Pink Lemonade and Coconut one at a 1. So it's basically just down the road. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. There's one more conditioner. I didn't do the original one, and I didn't do the newest one, the Tropical Merengue, because it's not even in stores. They have some of the products, but they don't have the conditioner or the mask. So if you guys want to know my review on that product, leave it in the comments, sis, and we're gonna try to make that happen. I'm not gonna go off my way and order anything offline, but I feel like the main choice, they have the smells on point. I just wanted to be thicker, but girl, if these are $14 and the consistency is like this, we don't want you to make it thicker because it might be turning to $20 because it's going to be a richer product. But they're definitely not bad products. If you like your conditioners a little bit on the thinner side, I probably would, and your hair is a little probably looser and curl, I would probably recommend this. But if you just really want to start off, jump into this, you know, cold turkey, you probably want to go with the Ancient Egyptian line or the Heavenly Halo. For the record, I'm going to use all these conditioners again. I think I'm going to mix them all I got left. We're going to get one more good deep conditioner out of them. And I'm also going to add oil. Or maybe I should just, it's not even enough to do in the shower. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you want to see more hair reviews in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. I got my braces off. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, like, who am I?